welcome back to my channel. It's your girl deja.zhane, and today I wanted to do a winter makeup routine. So I got quite a few new products. I've been doing something a little different with my makeup. My skin has been a little drier, it's been kind of acting up lately, but yeah, nevertheless, let's get to it. Let me show y'all what I've been doing. So since it's winter, it's December, so it's officially winter. It may not be cold where you are, but technically it's winter. I don't really have a particular primer that I use, but the Pond's dry skin cream. Oh, this is all the way blown out, girl. You cannot see this. Whatever. It's a cheap little moisturizer you can get at CVS, Target. You know, it's an old school type of moisturizer. I think my mom used to use it. Oldie but goodie. I like to use this first before I apply any foundation. As far as the ingredients, if you're very particular about what ingredients are inside of this, I don't think it has the best ingredients. If you're really concerned, the Airy Whipped Rescue Cream, and it's by the Drunken Elephant. I hear a lot of great things about it. I did try their marula oil, which is really, really nice. It is on the pricier side, but it has way better ingredients in it. I think I'm probably gonna use both of these. Use a bit of the Pond's. So for today's foundation, I'll be using the Lancome in the color 435 Bis W. Just to moisturize my face a little bit more, I'm gonna go over my Mario Badescu Rose Water Spray. A hefty amount. I'm using the Juno & Co. sponge, the little velvet sponge. I've been using it for a minute now, and I actually really like it. It took some time to get adjusted to because I'm just like, this is kind of weird. It's a velvet sponge. I'm so used to using my my beauty blender, but I actually really like this. I feel like I know that's you. And who was that, Marcel? I'm taking a wild guess. Yup.
Yeah. That's right. Well, yeah. Marcel gonna put, I remember when Father Deborah fell down the stairs during the fire drill.
Oh. I remember that too. I have my foundation applied. This is like my second time using this foundation. So far, I do like it. One thing I can say about this foundation is that it does oxidize, but I'm not mad at it though. So, to conceal my under eyes, I'm going to use a Sephora brand concealer. It's this one. Oh, so it says it's a gel serum concealer, and this is the color Pecan Pie. It's like more of on the yellow side. So what I'm gonna try not to do is, like, when I'm applying my concealer, I don't want to bring it all the way up because I feel like when I do that, it kind of accentuates the creases under my eyes. So I'm just gonna try to put it a little lower than my under eye and just kind of blend it up. Oh, excuse me. Okay, so far I think it's a nice color. It's a pretty color, but I feel like I want to like go up a shade. So yeah, for now I'm going to go in with my Wet n Wild concealer in the color Beige. It's the PhotoFocus Concealer, just to kind of give it the brightness that I like. I'm going to contour my face with the PhotoFocus Concealer by Wet n Wild in the color Dark Cocoa. So now I'm going to set my face with the Mercier setting powder in the color, in the translucent one. I was using the Makeup Revolution banana powder. I like it, but then again, I kind of don't. The thing I don't like about it is that it leaves a white cast on my face. Like, and I can blend it out, but I just feel like I literally like just put the powder on underneath my eye and I swipe it away, and it still leaves that white cast. I don't bake or anything like that, so that's one thing the main reason why I don't kind of like that one anymore. Dump it in here. Just gonna take a little bit of that Mercier powder. I'm just gonna dust it across my forehead, up here. Brush this off. Okay, so on top I'm gonna use my Sephora brand micro smoothing powder. I've used this before. I'm gonna use my fluffy Beige Cosmetics brush. I'm just gonna, cause I don't wanna put too many powders on my face. Swirl it. I'm gonna do my brows. I'm gonna use my Morphe brush, the eyebrow brush. I don't use the actual brush. I just like the spoolie because I think this brush is a little too big. To do my eyebrows, I'm going to use my NYX eyebrow gel. I have a tutorial on this, so I'm just going to skip this part and I'll be back when my brows are finished. And I'm back. So as you can see, I finished my brows. They're looking really nice. So I'm going to bronze my face up with the Maybelline Fit Me powder in the color, I forgot what it's called, Mocha. I'm going to bronze up my face. I'm going to prime my eyelid. I'm just going to do like a graphic wing liner. I haven't worn wing eyeliner in a long time, so I just want to do something a little creative, a little different. My flat top eyeshadow brush I got from Morphe, and I'm just going to kind of carve out my eyelid. So it's the Morphe M224 brush. Okay, as you can see, I have completely carved out my my crease, and I kind of flicked it out at the end. You know, I'm going to use my Huda Beauty palette, and I'm going to use the color Beige to set that concealer. I'm going to mix it in with the color Play, which is more, ooh, yeah, it's more pink. So yeah, I really want to do a thick matte liner, like wing eye. I haven't worn it in so long, so I'm going to use the NYX Professional Makeup Matte Liquid Liner in the color Black. I think I want to put a little bit of this color Raw. I'm going to use a little bit of Raw from the Huda palette. I'm going to put that underneath my eyes. A very small amount. I think I want to play around with this white liner, and I might put a little white liner here up top. And I think I just want to stop there. Okay, so I think I'm finished with my my wing liner. I'm just gonna put on like a little mascara. I'm gonna put on a little white eyeliner on my waterline. This is by Wet n Wild. I think I'm gonna put on some Demi Wispies. I have them right here. I'm gonna use my Duo glue. It's the one with the wand or with the brush. I'm just gonna apply a little bit of highlight. Today I'm gonna be using the Artist Couture in the color Illuminati. To apply it, I'm going to use my Morphe M501 brush. A tapered, I don't know what this is for, but I'm going to use it for my highlight. Woo. So from what's this palette called? The James Charles palette, I'm going to use this orange blush. I'm going to use the orange one and probably a little bit of the pink. I don't know, we're going to mix it. To set my face, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Finny Natural Spray. I really like this one. I'm going to be careful because I don't want to mess up my eyes. From Sephora, I got this TOOFaced Melted Liquid Lipsticks. It's a quad, and I'm thinking I want to wear this shade. I'm going to use a NYX Sweet Chateau in the color Deep Rooted. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with Pumpkin Spice. I'm going to use Sugar Cookie instead. Sugar Cookie is more of like a... This smells so good. This is like... This smells just like those Bath and Body Works candles. Alright, so I have my lips on. Everything's finished. This is a finished look. This concludes my winter foundation routine as far as the skin. Now the face, like the eyes or whatever, that's just me being creative. I just wanted to experiment with some of the new products I got. Yeah, I hope you all liked it. Bye.